welcome to Da Nang. Welcome to another beautiful day here. The ocean looks very nice. We are right next to the Kala Kala. The Kala Kala is over there. But this is not the interesting part what we're gonna check out today. First of all, we're gonna check out a little bit of the beach walk all the way, like always. But I know so many of you are in Germany, Europe, Canada, where it is still cold and even a little bit of snowing even. So we're gonna have a nice little walk now today. Check out the beach. And I've seen something absolutely crazy. I don't know what they're building, but we're gonna explore. I'm here on a public entrance to the beach, in between a seafood restaurant and a beach club. Okay, you can smoke over here. But what is very interesting, and maybe, I mean, it looks a little bit like it, but we will find out what it is. They're building something brand new here. And it was a parking place, and now they're building something there. They have a sign up there what it's gonna be. And I kind of believe it's gonna be something like a pickleball thing. Or what do you think it's gonna be? Maybe a restaurant? I'm not sure. Huh, there's not really something on it. They're building something here. Like it looks like it could be pickleball. I don't know what it will be, guys, I'm not sure. Maybe it's also private from the, I think I heard one time on my comments that this is a veteran center over there. Maybe it's something for them, I'm not 100% sure. Or maybe pickleball, maybe seafood restaurant. Something big is getting constructed here, opposite of Kala Kala. It's also a nice beach area here. Not a club really. You can get some sunbaths over there. You're here. The first hotel on the beach here is Yara Ocean Suite. But yeah, Kala Kala is packed. I have a huge question mark for me. Like, I would love to see how many flights are cancelled to Da Nang at the moment. Does anyone know? Please comment below. Because I'm not sure, I don't feel any tourist incline at the moment, but somehow it should be, right? Because of the cancelled flights. There were so many flights cancelled. Not sure. It is now noontime, so of course there are not many people on the street, but I feel like nothing changed yet. But I heard in Thailand it's a little bit more empty at the moment. It will be very interesting to see how tourist numbers will rise or decline in the next few months. And this is the new beach club here. It looks very fancy. It could be something like a stage, a DJ stage. It's gonna be nice. Probably just gonna be the bar. Hopefully they build a proper wall so you don't have the street noise there. I'm not sure. But this is gonna be the bar. I hope they will be able to finish this up very soon, because I hope that the tourists are coming also for this thing. It's the other part, right? Because every Southeast Asian country has a little bit issues now with the fuel and gasoline, and I think the flights will be the problem. If the flight price is going up, I'm not sure if a lot of people, also neighboring countries, will take a little trip over here or to Thailand. We will find out. Lots of people here stay longer, so I don't think you will see it immediately. There's lots of people staying here like for 3 months, especially digital nomads, young people. They work online, they all stay here longer, or retirees. But those beachfront hotels, it's gonna be interesting to see how the price is going over there. Because usually, I mean, if there are less people coming for vacation, those nice beachfront hotels might become a very good deal. We will see. But yeah, I will definitely make a hotel update very soon. This month, guys. 100% this month, we're gonna be back on Social Semi. I'm not 100, you know what? Since we are 5 minutes in, lots of you people who watch me every day, what do you want to see on my main channel? I will definitely do the new hotels, but I want to post a little bit more. So let me know what you want to see actually on my main channel. Not walking tours, obviously. It's going to be here always. I don't think they're going to change. I like doing them. It always makes me go out, no matter what. It's going to be very interesting here. I'm super excited about this too. What do you guys think? 3-4 weeks, maybe? There are at least 10-15 people working, so I could imagine 3 weeks we're done. Maybe 1st of May we got it. The ocean looks amazing, but it's also very hot at the moment, guys. It's very hot. Feels like the summer has completely begun. The ocean also looks perfect already, but yeah, you better stay in the shade. It is hot, but there are enough shades. You have a lot of beach umbrellas there. It's very good. Don't stay under those bad boys and get hit with the coconut. I'm also at the moment on my 48-hour fast, and I feel still good. I still feel good. I want to go to 72. That would be tomorrow, but I will keep you updated. I want to reset. I feel like, I don't know, I felt weird the last few weeks. I need to reset, and then after the fasting I'm gonna go on a healthy food. So food tours, I'm not sure if they're gonna happen. Maybe every Sunday for cheat day gonna be filmed. We're gonna eat something fun. Whew. People are in the water. The waves are very little, so surfing is probably not possible. I'm not sure what this is. Is this fishing nets or what? Yeah, fishing nets. Or what is that? Huh. Not sure what they're doing with that. They usually fish in the morning, you know? Oh my God. I feel like I'm melting. It feels probably like 35, but it's probably only 30. Let's see. Whew. My God. It is, let's see, 31. And it feels like 32. All right. Almost. There's a little bit of nice breeze going on, but not enough, I feel. Whew. Yeah, I will definitely do some night walks now. But I know you love the night walks as well, so all gonna be fine. Social night walks. But always have to go in the shade here. Whew. Check this out. Lots of people in the water, in the sun. I would be very careful, guys. Don't lay in this time of the day. Be careful with the sun. Me walking around like a moron. Oh. You know what I'm also gonna do? I'm gonna check out some sauna places. I think in the summer, it's always good to go to sauna and ice bath to get the heat regulation or whatever it's called. I tried it out. Before I did that, the first time, I think a few years ago in Thailand, I always thought, who's so stupid and goes to the sauna in a tropical country? Oh, look at this. But yeah, it really helps. This is the happiest man. This is like, when I'm gonna be old, I wanna be like you.
I know, I everybody says so.
Oh man,
Good,
how are
good,
you good?
yeah.
How's your pickleball injuries?
Good.
Good?
Good,
All good
yeah.
again?
Better all the time.
My God. Are you gonna have an ice cream now?
Ice cream now?
Yeah, yeah.
No, I have a smoothie.
A smoothie, okay? You living life, man. All right, let's continue. Just had a little talk with Mike, German Mike from Barbados, guys. He lived 45 years in Barbados, and then he chose to come to Da Nang. I mean, he's a member of my English, of Social Semi. He's a long-term member since, I don't know how many years, since 15 months or something. So he watched my English videos, and yeah, and then he came here and he's living his life. He's living his life. His wife is from Barbados. She can get a visa for here, but she cannot enter Thailand. So this is what we just talked about. Very interesting. I'm like, damn, everyone can go to Thailand, but not someone from Barbados. So she needs to do a visa, and it's very annoying, you know. But they were able to go to Kuala Lumpur, to Malaysia. Weirdly enough, people from Barbados came to Malaysia. I guess that's why Malaysia has such a strong passport at the moment. I think the Malaysian passport is better than German right now. Yeah. But yeah, Malaysia is always nice. I still have to explore more places in Malaysia, I would say. Because I like KL for 5 days. I cannot live in a big city, man. I'm a small town guy. Small town. In Germany, everywhere I like small towns. The big cities I always get lost. I lived in Chicago, my God, I got lost meeting my friends in the city. And I did not understand the Google Maps, somehow did not work, I don't know. I got lost. I got lost in Chicago often. I'm not a big city guy. That's why I like Da Nang, even though Da Nang is a bloody big city. And with the new numbers, with the merging of the neighborhoods, it's like 3 million or something. I mean, over 1 million here in the city alone, and then around the outer Da Nang, which was Quang Nam before, is also Da Nang now. So it's 3 million. So think about it. That's why no matter how little tourists come here, the beach will always be full in the evening, because over 1 million people can come to this one beach here if they want to. It's very close. I think that's it. I'm melting away, guys. Oh my God. And no one is here now. Check this out. Don't forget about this. If you think about retiring in the heat, always think twice. Can you handle the heat? Are you this type of guy who, okay, I want to be in the heat, and when it's getting too hot, I go in the water? Like I should do, but I don't do. I'm usually in the AC now. I'm actually all the time, I don't know. Whenever I'm walking around, the thing is, if I walk around, I talk to at least 50 people on the street. So it's like when I go out, I'm at least 2 hours out and talking. Usually when I film, it's better, but if I don't film, I walk slower. And then a lot of people talk to me. But yeah, it looks beautiful. It's still not perfect air conditioning. The conditioning of the air quality, whatever, is not perfect, guys. Else you would see the Lady Buddha statue very close. You would see the green grass of the Soncha Peninsula. But it's not the case right now. So air quality is not good, I guess. Or I don't know what's going on, but this does not look healthy. That usually goes away in May, but I will keep you updated anyways, you know that. So don't forget to like and subscribe, guys, it's free. So subscribe and like and comment potato head for all my friends. Thank you so much for watching. Check out this video here and see you in the next one.